grandma's hair is a little bit dirty. So my first thing I have to show you is my that's my grandma right there. My thingy. Here, let's show you back. This is the back of it, and then this is the little things. Don't put anything over there, but also put something on the head. So now let's just get started with my first slime. So I'm just playing with it till yes, we'll get on my hand a little glitter because I have to mix it all up still, but I mixed it up like a little bit and it's not like so jiggly. Okay, the next one's gonna be jiggly just like this, but it's gonna be look like pink. This one is glitter clear with sparkles. These very cool sparkles. No, it don't even look like clear, but it stretches. But guess what? It don't really stretch. I'll show you why. Because it breaks. It's not like filled. It don't feel like really slimes. So and then I have to. Then I'm going to show you. Yeah, so I'm going to show you this first slime. I'm going to make all the kinds of things. So yeah, and then boom, all boom. It's not sticky, see? It won't get in my hair or nothing. Because guess what? It's just slime, so yeah. It stretches, I know, but not that good, I know. Shouldn't have picked this one, but too late. I love it, even when it breaks. So you have to go really, really slow with kind of slime like this. And I have to, like, sometimes push both of my hands on it. Like one is on top of the slime, and then I can poke it. It's so fun to poke it, and it's so jiggly. It's going to like soon be done. Okay, now let's get the tape back. Just e-tainer. So I'm going to try to fill up this whole back e-tainer. So we got like a half a scoop, just like this much. And then just like get little, see this going to be. So I'm going to be really slow with it because guess what? If this don't turn out good, but I already know it's gonna turn out good. So, and then, and then I was like, just show you what did on my hair. Then, see the little chunk, not a little squished. I'm going to add it to that. And boom. Yes. Look at this. Here. I want to put this real closely. This is just half of my slime. Okay. This is my first one. I'm going to put all of this away now. Yeah, it farts a lot. That's the best part of this kind of slime, because them fart, but them also break. That's the sad part. So I didn't care. Sad part. The other one is just like this one, but it's a color. It looked like the same, but it's not. First, I'm going to use my little medium for the hands, Look like slime. Squish it all the way in there. So let me just like tell you. See? That's what it did. So he's gonna have a big old hand scoop and just like literally push it out. And then easy because it's all just so jiggly. So yeah.